This is a video review of the RENO aluminum truck hitch. This is what you get in the box, just like this. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You get the ball, it's all one piece, which is something I really like about it. You slide it straight in. You can see the holes line up right there. You then get this pin, just seat it right in there. You just see it falls right in, and then I just tighten it a little bit. It doesn't completely go snug, I just kind of tighten it to keep it from falling out. At this point, you get the actual hitch. Receiver here, it slides right in. Then you get this piece here with the key. It lines right in. Put it in, make sure it's an important part. Make sure you lock it. It's really nice. I like the aluminum construction. It's definitely lighter than other hitches its size. The only thing I wish it did is it does not come with a lock pin. I've got a spare one from another one I can just move over, but I do wish they would have included that. Here's the final product of my truck. So it mounts nicely. I actually just had to flip the ball, so that was real convenient to just unlock this, turn the hitch, slide it right back in. Less than 10 seconds, ready to go.